2, 10, and 36. Now, it's not my lottery numbers, it's the European supply chain for wind. In the last 2 years alone, we have invested more than 10 billion euros in new factories or upgrading existing ones for blades, for cables, for offshore substations across Europe. And we have an annual manufacturing target for wind energy of 36 gigawatts in Europe to meet. So we are ramping up to meet European demand. But challenges do remain. European wind energy installations remain flat. And it means that volumes are not translating into contracts for our manufacturers in Europe. International competition is intensifying, and the geopolitics of energy is changing in front of our eyes. So how do you make a sound procurement strategy for wind energy in all of these flux? What do new European rules for procurement mean for your business? I will be asking all of these questions to a great panel of you wind energy leaders and policymakers as we gather for Wind Europe's annual event in Copenhagen. So join us for the supply chain panel, Tuesday, 8th of April at 11 o'clock. We look forward to seeing you there.